Sabah everybody and welcome back to Xposed Tuesday. Today we're going to take a look at a new module that will enable us to customize how our settings menu looks within Android. This is TK, let's check it out. Real quick to show you guys what the module is actually capable of doing. As you notice here, this is my OnePlus 3. I don't have a specific theme that's causing this within my settings. I actually decided I wanted to have it in 2 rows. Now, of course, this is very functional if you're going in landscape, but you'll notice essentially it mirrors the way it looks like in landscape. But I like to keep the same look whenever in portrait. You'll notice it's pretty much in the same organization. I left the same categories here. I didn't add any new ones, although we are able to add some. Also, I did add one application. This is SuperSU. So now whenever I want to actually access SuperSU, I can go in directly into my settings and I can actually interface with it as if it's a regular application. You can add other things, of course. Settings editor, and current version is 2.4. Check the box, restart the device. Make sure you have the latest binaries, and of course everything is updated to the latest. Restart your device and then you're able to get into it. First thing we have under the settings, we have the ability of changing how many rows we have. I chose to go with 2. If you go with 3, it's going to look really bad, but depending on the device. If this is a tablet, you can actually go to 3 or 4. That's to your preference. You can change the color. You can say show app package in the installed application activity. I don't want to do that. And then here it says hide the launcher icon. I didn't want to show that so that I'm able to add it later if I want to interface with it. Categories. We have 4 categories by default: my personal, device, wireless, network, and system. And of course you can change them. I can change the name of it here and I can actually add things to it. So the main benefit here is I can go into settings and this is what it looks like. So it tells me exactly how it's going to look like. I can reload it from here. I can add new things. There's a pro version. It gives the pro option if you'd like to support the developer. It's about $1 and you'll be able to add additional things to it. I'll go ahead and go back for you. Now, as far as items, we're able to add different items into our list. Here's the main section, wireless network. Then we have device, and then we have my personal, and then we have system. Now you'll notice, as I was showing you guys in the beginning, I added SuperSU here, which is something that you can do normally. So you can go add. You can choose the icon selected from the list, so you can either select one of the default icon lists, or you can select the app list. So if it's an app that you're adding into your shortcuts, the way I did SuperSU, you just go in there, look for it. Like an example would be here. I want to add CPU. If you click it once and go back, it gives you the list. I'm going to just say under the device. This is something that I'd like to do. And then I'm going to say the actual app package itself. So you have to specify it twice. Here's CPUX, and I'm going to go back, and I should be able to set save. And then you'll notice here CPUX is sitting in here. I'll go back and I'm going to go directly into my settings. First tab stays the same, wireless. Second one is device, and now we have SuperSU and CPUX. And whenever I click it, I'm able to say, we'll say, no thanks for now, and I'll do it later. And then of course we can go in and interface with the app as we normally do. Very simple, very nice little mod. Hope you guys like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. This was recently updated to 2.4, so definitely check it out. Again, thank you very much for the support. Like and subscribe as usual, and I will see you guys on the next Xposed Tuesday.